Hey there, Alistair from creating a Shopify e-commerce store from scratch. Now, I don't know about you, but if I want to go into a business, I want to know that whatever business I go into is actually going to be profitable before I start. So what you want to do is you want to go with a niche that's popular or is trending or is part of a passionate kind of niche that people are always buying products within. So I've got this PDF open here, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can go and check it out yourself. But what you can do is go into Google Trends and see what's trending at the moment. Like in this case, beard oil was trending about a year or two ago. Scrolling down, the CBD focus, vegan cosmetics and makeup. Subscription boxes were also very popular. And handmade jewelry is always quite popular. You can go out for things that are trending now, see if there's a demand for them. Look for things that people or you yourself are passionate about, and go do some research. See what the demand and supply is like, and then go into this itself, go into Quora, look in social media, see how many people are asking questions. Places to go and look where people are asking questions are sites like Quora, Reddit. You can go look in Facebook groups, see how many people are asking questions. The more people asking questions, the better the niche. But also understand something, that a niche is something that is taken from a broad context and narrowed down to a very focused, passionate group of people who want something. And those people within that niche are passionate about that specific interest, no matter what it might be, whether it's painting, photography, cats, dogs, whatever it is. They're passionate about that interest, and they are prepared to spend money and time getting more products and information about their interest. So when you find something where there's a lot of interest about a specific item or a niche, that's a good way to go. So I've given you a couple of ideas of how to find a niche. I'm going to also get you a list of the exact type of categories you can go into and look at a niche and narrow it down even further to get a very specific kind of niche, so that you can go and create a website around that. That's it for now. See you in the next video.